Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will discuss cookies. So, you will learn about cookies on websites, their functionality, and whether you should accept them or not, in case you are asked when visiting a new site. Also, if you have your own website, I will show you what to do in order to warn your visitors about the use of cookies. My name is Nick, and I am on the team at WPGoPro.com. We assist you with improving your WordPress skills so you can make more money for yourself, your clients, and your business. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, give the video a thumbs up so Google knows it was helpful to you. Let's get started with the video now. So, what are cookies on websites? Well, it definitely has nothing to do with the desserts we all know and probably enjoy eating. We're talking about website cookies, which are more formally called HTTP cookies. A cookie is a small piece of data from a particular website that is kept on a user's computer as they browse the internet. They may perform a variety of functions, including tracking a user's browsing behavior, in order to offer up tailored content, such as advertisements for products or services. This is why, when you're searching on Google for a bicycle, you might see ads for more bicycles on Facebook later that day. Cookies may also perform various tasks, such as saving your login information for a particular website, such as Google, TikTok, Facebook, and others, so that you can log out and then reopen it later without having to log in again. Cookies may also help website owners monitor how many unique visitors they get to their site, since each cookie has its own unique ID. For example, if a user visits the same page twice or 3 times in a day, a cookie can count this as one distinct visit. As a result, website owners will be able to gather more precise statistics on their website visitors. The fact that cookies track your browsing activities can be very helpful or a breach of privacy, depending on how the website owner decides to use the collected information. That is why, anytime you visit a website that utilizes cookies, you will get a warning notice. Because they are required by law to notify you of the purpose of these cookies in their cookie policy. And now for the question everybody asks: how does a cookie work? When you visit a website for the first time, let's say an online shop, the website places a cookie on your hard drive with its own unique identifying number. This ID is then used by the site to maintain track of your session. The session is your entire visit to their website from beginning to end. It does this to keep track of things like which items you put in your shopping cart or which items you looked at. So, it can recommend similar items or even save coupon codes for you to use later, even if you close out of the website and return to it later. They serve many more purposes than this, but these are just a few of the most common. A cookie is solely unique to that website, so they can't track you on another website. To be honest, this is not true, because there is another type of cookie known as a third-party cookie, which I will demonstrate with an example. Assume you're surfing the internet and come across a website with a button to like or share on Facebook. This button must communicate with Facebook.com, which means that Facebook can now send their own cookies through this website in order to track your activities and then most likely serve up some targeted ads in your Facebook newsfeed later. Such things prompted Europe to establish GDPR, a universal law on the protection of data that enables users, if they want, to opt out of the usage of cookies. However, not all cookies violate your privacy. In fact, they usually make your web experience more enjoyable and save you a lot of time and hassles. Now, if you run your own website and you want to be GDPR compliant, you should install a plugin on your WordPress website. You may find many plugins in the WordPress library. Some of them are free and some are paid. The best plugin I have found is called GDPR Cookie Consent, which, by the way, is free. I will leave the link in the description below. If you want some help during the installation, then hit the subscribe button because my next video will cover its installation step by step. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. My name is Nick and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this. Don't forget to subscribe and the thumbs up button. Also, leave your comments below. Have fun with it till next time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and health.